How to book a Grab car for a later time in Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a Grab car for a later time in Malaysia. To schedule an advance booking, launch your Grab app. Then enter your destination in the search bar. Next, confirm your pickup location. Now choose your service type and tap on the calendar icon. To avoid the hassle of rebooking, ensure that you select the correct service type. You can read more about each option by tapping on the eye icon. Input the date and time and tap on Book to schedule your ride. Read the terms and conditions and ensure that you select the correct date and time. View your advanced booking in the Activity tab. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.